mirror know what I'm holding behind the laptop? The mirror is supposed to just reflect what is in front of it, not what's behind other objects. Isn't that concerning?
What time was it when they invented the clock? Like, was it at 3 in the morning that they decided we're going to invent the clock? If the earth is really spinning, then why don't we feel dizzy? What did the first person who installed TikTok have in his For You page? Because if there was no content on the app, what was he scrolling on? If people are scared of heights when they look down, then why don't they get scared when they look up? Isn't that concerning? If I wanted to explain the meaning of the word meaning, how would I explain it? Isn't that concerning?